From Western Uganda, basically. Thank you so much for holding me up. Every time I come here, you show me so much love, even tonight.
Orikutureba ari NKORE MEDIA TV nyeta Beazine ZDJ Serebu Wambara kandi turiyaha a show eri kacheko mutishayi. It is a show that we are hosting an international artist Ada Ehi from Nigeria kandi abakutureba ntubasimira kimwe abantu bambara abanya-Uganda abanyankore nabari and the world at large. We are happy to have you. We bring to you Exodus. Exodus, you're live on NKORE MEDIA TV.
Abanyambara mwena nimbaramsya.
Tokonjera, you can't add on anything.
I have said everything I know how to say.
Tuyanza nyo kujembarara.
Nesimye nyonyonyo. Barara is like my second home. I know people in Barara love me so much, and it's been a long time. But I thank God that we were able to be here with Ada, and the love is amazing. I love Barara.
Well, how did you find people from Barara?
Lovely, very lovely. You saw on stage. You saw how people love the music.
How they got that vibe.
Yeah.
Where do you get that energy? Like on stage, you have different performances. Your performance is very fantastic.
Yeah. It is always good to be a different kind of artist. But me, I love to make people happy, and the kind of music I do is a happy dance gospel music, and that's what I do. So I pray. I go to studio. I believe God, and I allow God to use me through music and writing. And then he gives me great songs that people love, actually. So me, I'm a dancehall artist, basically.
I know. Is it your first time to be in Barra?
No, it's like my third time in Barra.
It is your third time?
Yeah. But it's just been like... Mbade mazemi akanga etano nga sijambara, you know, So this tonight was very, very special for me.
Nenga buri woja audience ye kuragante.
Muganda wange.
They are love.
Bantu bakulage nyimba bazaagala, nawe bakwagala. So it's a blessing me, I thank God really.
Why can't you organize for us in Barra, Western Uganda to large something?
Ochinzije mukamwa. Next year I'm organizing a show actually here. Next year Exodus live in Barra in concert. Era nyenda kuba wa dates era mujemwe namwe namumpagire tukikube sawa nya non-stop.
We are here to push that show and we've been waiting for this.
Glory to God.
Lastly, as we were winding up, what could be some words you can give out to your fans and over thanking them, give them something?
My fans from Barra, my people from Western Uganda, basically. Thank you so much for holding me up. Every time I come here, you show me so much love. Even tonight, you understand the rain almost messed up everything, but I was on stage and everybody was happy, excited. So, mbagala nyo mwebale kuwagira gospel music first of all. Mwebale nyo kutuwagira. Mukama abakume era abampeere byonna bye mwagala mu linnya lya Yesu.
Nava wano abayimbe bafa bembara twina ba Peterson when shall we see something like collab?
Anytime. I am open. Omuntu naina yagala collaborations, you can always hook up.
But
if you do great music
with some of them
and sing but I listen to the music. I listen to the music and people in Barra have amazing voices. They have amazing voices. So me, I'm open to anybody who would really want to work, and we push the gospel.
We are happy. Serebu Wambara.
Serebu Wambara kwa Mike. I love you guys. I love you. Man, God bless you, my brother.
Amen.
One love.
One love.
Selecta, kuluta ningale kaleba. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.